My country people, Ned Nwoko don finally come out over the alleged divorce when the wife post months back where he say he and Ned Nwoko don scatter o. Hello guys, if na first time when you be say you dey come across Tafia Express, make sure say you follow this platform and make you subscribe to my YouTube channel when the name na Tafia Express TV. God bless you. And if you be return subscriber, God bless you. And na be the reason why make me dey do video dey come outside o. May God bless each and every one of una. Make we dive into the matter o. The pictures the way you dey see and the writings the way you dey see na Ned Nwoko media personality na the writer for Ned Nwoko page o. Na for there they take write say Ned Nwoko and the wife when be lie they don finally come outside openly say they don divorce o. Na for there they take explain wetin lead to the divorce. First and foremost, he say the wife do plastic surgery without Ned Nwoko notice. He do am out of where Ned Nwoko no even know. And they don't even throw light to the life of Jaruma first. Now if they throw light to, if I don't know Jaruma, now a picture now they show so for inside the screen. And that lady where they say she dey stay Dubai, where they say waiting they make Toto the sweet and waiting they make Toto the cash rich men and waiting they make people feel the snatch person husband. Now the woman they say for inside Dubai. Now go know the woman now. Now her name now be Jaruma Empire and Jaruma now be the woman name o. And for the night, Ned Nwoko got to throw the woman. Got the woman say, Nigeria people, Nigerian young girls, they're very, very gullible. He said because, he said if the woman or juju they work, he said why it be like say the woman married for only 1 year. And he don't even get picking for the man when he say he married. The man still dump her for the matter. He said why the kaya matter and the ojuju, the way they make for the man, why he not keep the man? And so Ned Nwoko got talk. Amidst that, now we go jump into the matter of Laila. The wife where he say he come from Morocco. Now for them, they took a media personality. They got a throw light put to. They say the wife for inside January this year, 2021 for January. He said they notice say they do findings. They got notice say the wife they chat with one guy where we say he they stay for inside UK. He said for this August holiday where we say all of their travel go. He said now for there the wife got to go meet the guy for inside UK when the wife take go holiday with the children. He said he don't even take care of the children at all. He said she go there, she dey go club. For there, that she got to go catch coronavirus. He said, and for there where they leave the children, abandon the children got break something for inside the hotel where they say they rent. Now for there, they got say before they go leave the hotel, they need to pay about £7,000. Now for there, they don't. And so they don't go talk. He say he spent a lot of money. He said, I miss that. They got quarantine the woman. They got kind of go quarantine where we say she need to isolate herself from the children. For there, Ned Nwoko go carry person where he say he go stay with the children. When he go carry the children come Nigeria. Now the person like go escort the children as guardian come Nigeria. Come in Ned Nwoko. He spent enough money. Now Ned Nwoko talk this one. He go say he not stop for there. He go say the man when he say the lady they chat with all this why. He say and the man come meet for UK. He say they don't know what it transpire between him and the man. They can't get issue. He say the Laila and the man get issue. Now for there the man can't take call police. Laila can't call police. Now lawyer and police now can't settle the matter. Now so now Ned Nwoko talk. Now he say now that thing now contributes and the bumbo surgery where she go do surgery without the notice, without the not inform Ned Nwoko say she won't go do surgery, plastic surgery. She not inform the man say she won't go do surgery. Now all those things now combine together where it be like say there are two cottage share Gary. I wanna see my country people. If the first time when we say you they come across Tafia Express, make you not forget to hit the follow button and make you not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel when the name na Tafia Express TV. When we say they bring on an ogbonge story. If you person will not subscribe before and you return to watch my video, God bless you. And be the reason why make me they do video they come outside. I wanna see this matter where they happen. Then don't go come outside, come clear the hair say the woman they shit on her and the woman carry the children go UK. You not even take care of the children at all. I miss that. She go carry coronavirus for inside Obodo Yibo. I wanna see my country people. Don't forget to leave your opinion. Make you leave your comment to share the video if you don't say you see like the video. May God bless you. Now don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel when the name na Tafia Express TV. Now my name for YouTube. God will bless you. And for those people who say don't subscribe to my YouTube channel before, I sincerely appreciate you now. And I be the reason why make me they do video. Make una stay blessed. Make una stay out of trouble. Until next time when we say I go bring another book story. Una bye bye.